Colorful temperature contours on the old weather map tonight as we have cool air pushing in from the northwest. Notice the blue hue there. There's some 30s up there. It's 44 right now in Devil's Lake. It's 55 degrees in Jamestown. That's not bad. Still some 60s, low 60s for Gwinner, for Sisseton as well. Wahpeton, Breckenridge, not too bad at 59. Low 50s for the Detroit Lakes area, and it is 50 degrees in Bemidji at this hour. We do have a fair amount of cloudiness across the region, but most of the showers are concentrated along and south of Interstate 94. Lakes country seeing some showers, and there have been a few rumbles of thunder as well. They're fairly quickly moving in that rapid jet stream flow from west to east across our region, so the rainfall doesn't last too long, about 15 minutes or so. However, it's going to be heavy, at least briefly. Valley City, more rain moving into your area, as is the Lisbon area. We're starting to see more for Ransom and even Sargent counties. And as we look into central Otter Tail County, moving in on the big lake right now is some showers just outside of Otter Tail Lake. Here is a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, and we'll have light winds tonight. The cool pool of air will be moving in from the northwest, so as we set this into motion, we'll start to see the showers slide to the south and east, and by your Valley News Live 10 at 10 broadcast, we'll have most of us in the 40s as we get ready to cool off. Overnight, the rain is out of here. We clear out, and the coldest temperatures will be in that direction the cold air is coming from. So if you're in Cando, Rock Lake, Walhalla, Langdon, we'll have low 30s there and maybe even below freezing briefly. A lot of mid and a few upper 30s to start our day for our hump day on Wednesday. We'll see sunshine for the early morning hours, and temperatures will warm but very slowly. We're talking mid-40s down south for your lunch hour and still in the 30s for some in our northwesternmost counties. Then as we glide into the afternoon, the best chance at some 50-degree readings will be down in the south, and only a few of us will briefly get out of the 40s. The rest of us can plan on spending the entirety of the day in the 40s for our afternoon. Wind from the northwest will only be at about 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. It looks like a real cold one for most of the area late Wednesday night. So your planner for Wednesday, 37 in Fargo-Moorhead to start the day. Not too bad on the winds, but the kids will appreciate at least a light jacket, and they may want to put that back on for the lunchtime recess as well. 47 is all we'll muster. We'll sneak out of the 40s briefly in the 4 to 5 o'clock hour, and then that's it. It's going to be a cold night ahead late Wednesday night. Your afternoon planner, in the 41-degree afternoon in Langdon, 50 for Jamestown, Sisseton 55, 46 for Detroit Lakes, holding on to 50 degrees though in Fergus Falls. Up in northern portions of Minnesota, we could have some upper 30s in the Warroot area, and 43 for Roseau. Take a look at this lovely shot. Dakota Jody sharing a dandy. This is in Barnes County. Great sky shot as the perspective of this little relaxing piggy looks. Let's take a look at your planning forecast. Yes, it is indeed. Let me check. Yep, I see it. It's pie in the sky. Pie in the sky. 7-day forecast. I saw some pie up there. Thursday, cold morning, freezing temperatures. A chilly day. We'll be in the 40s most of it. Then on Friday, it gets better. 56 degrees. How about 60s for the weekend, Christine? Looks pretty quiet, minus a little bit of wind out there. Dandy weather right into the early portion of next week. How's that for a pie in the sky?
That pie came right out of the sky.
It did. I was watching for it.
So,
I saw it
wow.
coming. I had to get out of the way.
I love that. Thank you,
All right,
Hudge. We've got a Hyundai recall to tell you about, which vehicles are affected and what the problem is. That's coming up next.
It almost...